This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Tara Dixon. Wake up each morning with breathtaking views of the Intracoastal Waterway in this spacious, open floor plan condo. You will enjoy spending your time watching the dolphins and the gorgeous sunsets. Rarely offered, this 2-bedroom, 2-full-bath condo in sought-after sea towers, an active 55-plus 24/7 gated community with 37 acres of manicured grounds sitting on Boca Ciego Bay. This beautiful remodeled condo offers custom cabinets, granite countertops, custom tile backsplash, granite waterfall island, walk-in closets, wooden shutters, hurricane impact windows, tile flooring throughout in your own storage room. HAVC 2016, hot water heater 2019. Deeded covered parking, 7 to 33, located in front by elevators. Meander along the large lagoon or take advantage of the many amenities including 2 temperature-controlled pools, tennis, pickleball, and shuffleboard courts, putting green, fishing docks, picnic shelters with barbecue grills, and covered boat slips/kayak storage when available. Clubhouse features a full-time social director who plans weekly activities along with exercise, saunas, billiards and library rooms. Prime location. Walk or bike to award-winning Gulf beaches, restaurants, Publix Virginia Hospital, and American Legion. Buyer to verify all measurements, association restrictions, and info. For more information, review the